Okay, so a common question I get asked all the time when it comes to affiliate marketing is how do I get started? And it's honestly really simple. You're going to sit back and just ask yourself, what do I like? What's my hobby? Am I into cooking? Am I into fashion? Am I into beauty? And once you figure out what it is you're really passionate about, the best thing to do is go to Google and Google beauty affiliate programs or dog affiliate programs or sports affiliate programs, depending on what you're into. And then it's going to give you lists from different blogs and websites of companies that offer affiliate programs. Then at that point, you just decide what programs you would like to join, sign up for those programs, and then literally start making TikTok, start making Instagram reels, start posting on your story, talking about these products, linking your link, and that's it. Like, I feel like I could go on and explain, but it's literally so simple. If you have a question, if you're wondering, like, what can I do for this certain niche, drop them below and I can help you brainstorm. I know a lot of companies for different niches that have affiliate programs already, so I'd love to help you get going. If you want to try out the program that I took to really learn more about affiliate marketing, I have that in my Instagram link. My Instagram is connected to this site. It's the 15-day business builder challenge. It teaches you everything about affiliate marketing. Go check that out. It's literally only $7. It's what some people spend on a cup of coffee. It'll completely jumpstart your affiliate marketing opportunity and just jumpstart your business. So, like I said, that's simple. Follow for more ways to do affiliate marketing, for more ways to make money from home, and any questions, leave them below.